Now listen, we want to come and play. We want a bunch of people here when we're playing, right? And when there's a bunch of people here, more than likely, what's gonna happen? It's gonna be quiet. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud. So if I'm playing and you short, and then you don't get it, and then you're gonna be mad, man. They ain't passing me the ball. But I'm like, yo, I can't hear you. So I want to we gotta have where we're not afraid to maybe look silly or sound silly or whatnot. So be demanding, want the ball, short. Pretend. Let's have some imagination. It's a state championship game. It's a whole bunch of people here, and your point guard or your guard got to be able to hear you. So let's get loud. I know you can get loud when you're having some fun, can't you, Mackenzie? All right, let's go. Let me hear you. Here we go. There we go. It's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. Here we go. That's all right. Go, Peyton.